We may return sit-at-home order to Biafra land. IPOB reacts after Monday total compliance despite suspension. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Biafra latest update. In this channel, I do all breaking news about Biafra, IPOB and its leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Please do watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. I read, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has stated that it is considering recommencing the every Monday sit-at-home order it earlier made to push for the release of its leader, Nnamdi Kanu, from detention. The group had last weekend, while speaking through its publicity secretary, Emma Powerful, called off the sit-at-home order, saying that the exercise will henceforth hold only on days its leader, Kanu, will appear in court. But despite the suspension of the exercise, Akwa, Onitsha, Nweni, Nsukka, Aba and other major towns in the southeast states on Monday observed the sit-at-home order, making the group reconsider its stance. Emma Powerful, who spoke to some journalists in reaction to the observance of the order despite the suspension, said that IPOB was no longer forcing anyone to stay at home, but added that people voluntarily decided to observe it to show how they feel about the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu. He said the exercise was not entirely banned but was only suspended, and that since the people were fine with it, the group might reintroduce it. He however said that would be after due consultation. Yes, we observed that people decided to sit at home today. We did not tell them to do so, and we did not force anybody, Powerful said. They are doing it to show how they feel about the detention of Kanu. We suspended the sit-at-home for this Monday, but after consultation, we can decide to order that people should sit at home again by next Monday. As for this Monday, the people are just expressing their feelings. We are still consulting and we will let people know later, he noted. Journal reporters earlier today reported that some major roads in the southeast states of Anambra and Imo remained deserted on Monday, while some business places were also shut in observance of the sit-at-home despite a counter-directive from the IPOB. Checks by the Journal reporters on Monday morning had revealed that most towns in the southeast still observed the sit-at-home, as some major roads were deserted and many businesses remained shut down in compliance with the older order. Everywhere looks deserted, from busy streets to major market roads. One of them is the Aba-Port Harcourt Road in Abia State. It is quite scanty, no movement, an observer had stated. The same was noticed along the Onitsha-Owerri Road as people deliberately choose to sit at home. Most filling stations are shut in Onitsha, Anambra State this morning. Olu Road in Imo State is also deserted, another resident had told Journal reporters. Aba Town in Abia is a ghost town, while Nsukka in Enugu is also deserted on Monday morning. Some business owners and consumers sat at home not necessarily because they love to, but because they don't want to die, even though IPOB has allowed people to come out. But what about the miscreants and hoodlums waiting for an opportunity to break into shops and loot people's goods in the name of disobedience? A resident had queried. So my people, you have seen for yourself that the Biafrans are determined to do this until their leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is out. They are doing it for the love they have for their leader. They are doing it for the love they have for Biafra land, and not necessarily because they are being asked to. What happened yesterday, 16th of August, is a clear indication that they are doing it because they love to do it. They are fighting for freedom. They have decided, they have said no turning back. No matter what it takes, they are doing it. They are staying home because they want to show love to their leader. They are staying home because they believe in their country, in their land, Biafra land, and that is what it is. So I don't know what you think about this video, but I must encourage them and I must commend them for what they are doing, because irrespective of what they are going through, they stand for freedom, they stand for truth, and they stand for justice. Please do write on the comment section what you think about this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I thank you for all the support you are giving this channel, and may God bless you as you continue to support me. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love, freedom.